Assalamualaikum. In this video, I will show you how to convert PDF to RGB color in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. Open a PDF file, check the pages and go to Tools menu and click the Print Production. Now click the Convert Color. Select the object, text or image or any object and color type any RGB or device RGB etc. and go to conversion profile, select the Adobe RGB and click OK. Save the file. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.